remember?
Percentage, sir.
Okay. Compound interest I gave, right? Compound interest we studied. Or the higher purchase.
Today we need to start, sir, compound interest.
Higher purchase completed.
Yeah, sir.
Sure. Wait, we'll see, Koshan. The some are joining, I don't know. Right? After that, we'll start the lesson. 2, 3 will join, I think.
Okay, sir.
If not, we'll start, okay? Ajara, good evening.
Good evening.
Right, today we'll start the lesson compound interest. Have you finished the previous? No? Sure.
Yes,
Koshan?
sir.
All the questions in that?
Yeah, sir.
Right, write that in compound interest. Compound interest, I will give an example, students. Write it. Shall I? A person borrow a loan rupees 50,000. A person borrow a loan rupees 50,000. A person borrow a loan rupees 50,000 from a bank. From a bank. The bank charge annual interest rate 10%. The bank charge annual rate 10%. The bank charge annual rate 10%. The interest compounded annually. The interest compounded annually. In the interest compounded annually. Find the total amount you should pay end of 2 years. Find the total amount you should pay end of 2 years. Find the total amount you should pay end of 2 years. Right? Now, students, there are two methods. Right? I will explain that. First method, the interest compounded means annually it will be decreasing. For the interest, they will charge another interest. That is the compound interest. Now, the interest for first year. The interest for first year, the loan is 50,000 into 10 over 100. Interest for the first year. Cut the two zeros and two zeros, then 5,000. The interest for the second year, 5,000. Okay. This interest they will include for the second year loan. What is the loan amount, student? 50,000. Then first year you should pay only the interest 5,000. Right? Now this 5,000 students, they will add for the second year or end of the first year, the amount, the loan amount will be 55,000. Right? Then the amount, loan amount, I'm writing short form, loan amount, beginning of second year. The loan amount beginning of second year. Already he got 50,000 loan. Now another 5,000 he should pay. Altogether, then he should pay 55,000. This is the amount you have to pay end of first year, if not beginning of the second year. The loan amount beginning of the second year. Okay. Now students, for the second year, they will charge the loan interest for this 55,000, not for the 50,000. 50,000 is for the first year loan. You are borrowing a loan 50,000. They are charging the interest. That interest also they are including for the loan. Then when they are finding this is the compound interest, students. Then other interest method is different. Simple interest 1 year they are finding and dividing, multiplying by directly 2. Right? The loan amount beginning of the second year. Then beginning of the second year, starting of the second year, the loan is 55,000. Now interest end of first, second year. Interest for second year. Second year loan is what? 55,000, not the 50,000. 55,000, but the interest, same they given. Cut the two zeros. 5,500 now. Second year interest 5,500. Now total amount to be paid. Total amount to be paid. How much? 55,000 plus this 5,500. Then altogether 60,500 you should pay. Right? So end of the 2 years, you have to pay 60,500. Okay, students, is this clear? This is first method. Okay, this is method 1. So, first part we are finding interest for the first year. You borrow loan 50,000. For the 100 rupees, 10 rupees means, for the 100 is they are charging 10 rupees, therefore 50,000, 5,000. End of the year, if you are clearing the loan, you have to pay only the 5,000 and 50,000, only the 55,000. But it is going for the second year. Compound interest means for the 50,000, this interest also they will convert into the loan. Then 50,000 plus 5,000, 55,000 loan, beginning, end of the first year. If not the beginning of the second year, the loan is 55,000. For that 55,000 only, they will charge the interest for the second year. Okay? The 55,000 interest, they will charge for second year. Right? Is that clear? Right. Then for that interest for second year. If you have any doubt in the statement, you ask students. Roughly I know. Then cut this 20 and 20, 50, 550 multiplied by 10, 5,500. Then 55,000 beginning of the second year, end of the second year, another 5,500 you have to pay. Then altogether 6,000, 60,500 you have to pay. This is what? Students, total amount you have to pay. Then additionally you paid, you borrowed 50,000, you paid 60,500 means the additional interest amount we are saying compound interest. Okay, the question is, this is best method. Okay, write the method 1 and write. Understood or not?
Understood.
This is best method, student. Other methods also there, I will give that also. Question understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Ajara, are you doing any other classes in the session? This online classes, this one.
No, ma'am. No, sir.
Only Max you are coming.
No, sir. All classes.
What about Koshan?
All, sir.
Right, okay. For other subject only you two. This is method 1 students. Now the total amount here, write interest for first year, loan amount beginning of the second year. Okay, write in full form, interest for the second year, total amount to be paid, end of second year. If they are compounding for the third year, you have to write for third year also. Shall I write the board, student?
Okay, sir.
Question, what about you?
Okay, sir.
Right. Then second method, directly you can do, students. Now see. Now see, if we are borrowing loan 100 rupees, interest how much? 10 rupees. Right? That is the percentage. 10 percentage interest means you are borrowing 100 rupees means you have to pay interest 10 rupees. So total amount you have to pay 110. Am I correct? Am I correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Students? Understood or not this part?
Understood.
This one you all studied in grade 9. That what? Marketing, mark price, purchasing price, cost price, selling price, that. That means, student, if you are borrowing a loan 100 rupees, end of the year you have to pay 110 rupees. Am I correct? Why that
Correct.
no? If you are borrowing 100 rupees loan, with the interest 10 rupees, altogether you have to pay 110. Now this method only you are going to pay. Fine. Then for the 50,000, how much? 50,000 loan, 110 rupees you have to pay first year. For the 50,000 you have to pay 110 rupees for 100. If you are borrowing 100 rupees, I'm writing like that here. If you are borrowing 100 rupees, you have to pay 110 per 1 year. Then the next year also like same. If you are borrowing 100 rupees, you have to pay 110. Therefore, 50,000 how much? Okay, student, this 50,000 you can write here and there. So better I'm writing in this side. Front I'm writing. How to write then 50,000? 110 over 100. This is for the first year. Second year, if they are reducing or increasing, now the bank students, right? Annually, sometimes the price, but the percentage will be increase or decrease. Sometime it will be turned to on 12%. Now 10 percentage. I mean, end of the second year it will be increased to 12% or decreased to 8 or 7 like that. The bank it is negotiated. Right? For the 50,000, then for the if they are borrowing 100 rupees, first year they should pay end of the first year 110. Like that, 2 years. 100 means 110. Now simplify. Cut the 20 and 20. Cut this 20 and 20. Now multiply 110 into 110 into 5. 110 into 110 means 11 into 11. Finally, you can add this 20. 1, 2 zeros add. 11 into 11, 121. Okay, 110 multiplying by 110. 11 into 11, 121. Add these two zeros. Now 110 into 110, 12,100. Multiply by 5. This 5. 0, 0, 5, yeah, 0, 6. Then directly you can get the answer. How much, students? 110 into 110, 12,100. When you are multiplying by 5, 60,500 directly. See, will you 110 you can multiply and see like this. If you difficult see here 0 0 1 1 1, sorry, 1 into 0 1 1. Now add 0 0 1 2 1. 12,100 multiplying by 5, 0 0 5 0 6. Directly you can get the answer, which is easy.
Method 2, sir.
Any method you can follow, students. Try this method also, method number 2. Okay, students. Shall I give another example?
Okay, sir.
Write it. A person deposit rupees 100,000 in his bank account. A person deposit rupees 100,000 in his bank account. Okay. The interest compounded annually. The interest compounded annually. The bank given annual rate 12% for the first year. The bank given annual interest rate 12% for the first year. 15% for the second year. 15% for second year. Find the total amount end of the year in his bank account. Find the total amount end of the year, end of 2 years in his bank account. Okay? Want to read the question again?
Yeah, sir.
A person deposit rupees 100,000 in his bank account. The bank given 12% annual interest rate for the first year and 15% for the second year. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Find the amount end of the second year in his bank account. Find the amount end of second year in his bank account. Okay, right, I will explain. See, right, loan amount is 100,000 into 112 over 100 first year. 12% second year, how much now? 115 over 100. Okay. The previous questions were the same amount. 110 over 110. Now increase. If it is decrease, we have to reduce. Now cut the two zeros. Here two zeros, then multiply. 112 into 115 multiply. 5 into 2, 10 balance 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 5. Here then 1, 2, 1, 1. Again 2, 1, 1. Add 0, 8, 8, 2, 1. After that, multiply by 10, then another 0. Okay, then 128,800 rupees in his bank account. I chopped two zeros and two zeros, another two zeros, then 112 multiplied by 115, 5 into 2, 10, balance 1, 5 into 1, 6, 1 plus 6, 5 into 1, 5. 1 into 2, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. 1 into 2, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Now add 0, 0, 8, 8, 1. Okay, the 0 students, 8, 8, 2, 1, 12,880. Multiplied by 10, another 0 will be increased. Your answer is what then? What is the amount in his bank account end of the 2 years? 128,800. Is that clear? What is the loan amount? What is the amount deposit? 100,000. How much is he getting additionally then? Students, how much is getting how much is getting additionally? 28,800. That is the compound interest, students. Is that clear now? Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Some who join now? Right, okay. Now 9.2, do the first three questions, students. Can you? Student, is this difficult? You can follow the first method, but I think this one is easy for you. Can you do the first three questions, students? 9.2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try. Okay, students. So you have finished, send the answer to the chat box. Reginit, what is the school? Reginit, are you there? Reginit or Reginit?
Yes, sir.
What is the school?
Angel International School.
Sorry? From where are you?
Sir, Angel International School. Sir.
Where it was?
It's in Manipai.
Manipai, okay. Not regular to the class, right? We have to come in regularly. Question finished?
Last question.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, send the answer. Rajara finished?
Yes, sir.
Send the answer to the chat box. Or shall I do the sum in the board? That is better, right? Okay, someone send, I'll check. Koshan send, I'll check that. The thing is, there's one you have to do, then only it will be practice for you. Koshan, do it in one method, Koshan. You are doing it first method.
Second method, sir.
Okay. Second method, okay. Right, I think correct. Third question, they're asking the interest, right, Koshan? Then you have to reduce and get the answer.
Okay, sir.
Ajara, okay? Alright. Then first one, can you say the question? Can you read? How much? 5,000.
Amount 5,000, sir. Rate 5%.
Then 105 over 2 years. Yeah, 2 zeros, cut the 2 zeros, here by 50. You can cut 1 here by 52. Right? 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Then balance here 50. 50 divided by 150, 100 divided by 52. 105 multiplying by 105 and dividing by 2. Multiplying, just I am showing 105. 5 into 5, 25 balance 2. Then that 2 will be here 5. No use of multiplying by 0, student. Then leave that. By 1. 1 into 5, 5. 0, 1. Okay, 5 into 5, 25, then here 5. This 0 when you are multiplying, no use because zeros no need to write. Then multiply by this 1. Then but you have to, the place value is important. 1 into 5, 5, and then 25, 0, 11,025 dividing by 2. Divided by 2, 5. How much? 5,512 rupees and 50 cents. Is this correct? Rupees 5,512 rupees and 50 cents. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. The second one, 7%, 8,000 into 107 over 100. Again 107 over 100. Similar two zeros. Here cut 1 0. Okay. If not, do like this. 100 divided by 20. 100 divided by 25. 80 divided by 24. Now multiply 107 by 4 and divide it by 5. Okay, if not students, we are thinking difficult, cut 1 0, that is also easy. 2 zeros I chopped here, 100, here 1 and 1 0, then 8, 107, 107. Multiply first 107 by 107, 49, 7, then 7, 0, 1. I said to not to multiply by 0, then 4, 9.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Amount is 6,000, sir.
Not 8,000.
No, sir.
Then multiplying by 6. Okay. This one should multiply by 6. Okay. Two zeros here, 2 zeros, 0 and 0 I chop, then 6. 107 into 107 here, 7 is 49, this one 7. 1 into 7, 7, 0, 1. Then 49, 14 balance 1, 11,449. See, multiplied by 6. 6 into 9, 54. Balance 5. 6 into 4, 24. Plus 5, 29. 6 into 4, 24 plus 2, 26. Balance 2 again. 6 into 1, 6 plus 1, 8. And 6. Right? Now, the answer came 68,694. Right? You have to divide by 10, then backward one decimal place when you are dividing by 10. 107 into 107 into 6, the answer is 68,694. Should divide by 10. When you are dividing by 10, should take backward one decimal place. So answer is rupees what? 6,869 rupees and 40 cents. Ajara got the answer. Regit,
Yeah.
did you got the answer, Regit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one. Can you? That is 8,000, I think. Into what is the percentage?
So one is 12%, another one is 10%.
12%. It decreased to 2. 110. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. Similar. Cut the 2 zeros. Here 1 0. Here 1 0. This 0 and 0. In under 2 zeros, 8,020 student. Then 81 0 and here 1 0. Remaining 1 0 by 1. Then 112 multiplying by 11 by 8. Then 112 multiplying by 11 means same 112 into 112. Okay, adding 112 multiplying by 11, you should get 112 and 112 by 2, 1, 3, 2. This one you should multiply by 8. 16, balance 1, 24 plus 1, 25, balance 2, 16 plus 2, 8, balance 1, 9, 9,856 rupees, 9,856 rupees. But the question is what? The third question, they are asking the total interest he got. Am I correct? They are asking total interest end of the 2 years, right? Then 9,856 total amount. Reduce this 8,000. Then answer 1,856 rupees is the total interest. Okay? Okay, clear students? Who got all three? Correct? Koshan?
Last one is wrong, sir.
Last one you forgot this, right?
Yes, sir.
So, right. What about Ajara? Regit?
Last one is okay.
Okay,
The
copy it
last
and
one.
then okay, change it then. If you want to explain, students, ask, okay? Okay, students. Right. The next question they given two students, Ashan and Kasim, I think. Okay. One person they are you have to use simple interest method. Other person compounded. Okay. Then finally they ask you who will get more money. Can you do that sum? Fourth question, I think. Grade 10 syllabus that what percentage that simple interest then compounded here. Can you do so in the fourth one? Please respond me.
Yes, sir. Can.
Ragit, Ragnit,
Yes, sir.
Regint, no, Regint. Ajara, why coverage problem? Do the fourth question, Ajara.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me you.
So fourth question, that means one is simple interest and other one is compound interest.
Yeah. Then finally you have to compare who is receiving more money. That means both the end of the 2 years, so 2 years, right? End of 2 years, how much they are receiving, first you have to find totally. With the Kasim, how much is receiving end of the 2 years with the simple interest. Ashan, I think the 2 months, then compare both of them. Correct? Okay?
Okay, sir.
And Aja, is that clear for you?
No, sir.
Ajara, now can you read the question first?
Yeah.
Read it, please.
Hashan and Kasim are two friends. If Hashan lends rupees 25,000 at a simple annual interest rate of 15% and Kasim lends
Hmm.
the
Hassan
same
lend.
day,
Yeah, Ashan then 15, 25,000 into 15 over 100 into 2 years, into two directly. Not like this. Simple interest in grade 10 you are studying. 25,000 into what? 15,100 into 2. First find for the 2 years interest. Okay. After that, add with the 25,000 loan. Then find who? Kasim. What is the interest for him? 12%, right? Right, 3 years. Sorry, 3 years. Then find Kasim the same method, Rajara. Now what it? Now we studied like that 3 years. Ashan only for first man only for 3 years. That is simple interest. Multiplying by 3 and get the answer. Is that clear?
Clear.
Not yet. Okay, try. Students finished? Koshan?
Still doing, sir.
What about other one? Other two?
Doing.
Okay, make What else? Waiting for your answer, students. After that, I will discuss. But right, someone sent the answer. You check now. Right? Please tell them who are the man, Qasim and Hassan. First, landing the money, Hassan. Hassan, how much is getting? 25,000 is landing. Correct, students?
Yes,
Please
sir.
respond me. What? Students?
Both are 25,000, sir.
Right. It's in the compound interest or simple interest?
Simple interest, sir.
Hassan, how many years? Percentage? 15. 3 years. Multiply then 250 by 15 and 3. Right? 250, 15 means 2,500, 1,250. Thousand 250 interest students. 1,250. Right? 10,250 I think. Correct? Response me.
Sir, I got 11,250, sir.
1,000. Correct. Wait. Yeah, 11,200. Sorry. 11,250. This is interest student, then loan. The total amount 25,000 plus 11,250, then 36,250 receiving landing by is receiving 36,250. Asan. Kasim 3 years compound interest. What is the percentage? 12. Then same 25,000 but 112 over 100, 112 over 100 into 112 over 100. Two zeros cut 2 0, 1 0, 1 0, right? Here by 25 1, here by 25 4. Multiply, what is the answer you are getting? 38,000. Someone got the answer, please respond me. Final answer is what, students?
So 37,000.
Sure, 37 or 38?
37,030.
Rangit, what's your answer? Ragnit,
Sir, 37,030.
37,000 rupees, 38. 37,038. Then who receiving more money?
Passing.
Kasim. Then you have to compare like this here. 37,000 is more than 36,250. So Kasim receiving more money. Kasim receiving more money. Okay? Who got the answers? Correct answer? Okay,
Semi.
student? Right, okay, good. It is different questions only. Fifth question. Can you try the fifth question? That is, students, see value 12 percentage annual rate, I think. Every 6 months the rate is compounded. 6 months means semi-annual. Am I correct? Ajara, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 6 months means then annually 12% means 6 months how much then for 6 months? 12% for annual. For the 6 months mean half month how much is the interest then? 6%. Okay. So you have to find the interest for twice. First 6 month, second 6 month. Then similar question like 2 years thing can do. Right? They given 12% in annual rate. Annual 12% means for the 6 month half of it. Then what is the amount? 6 percentage. Am I correct? Then how many semi-annuals per year, students? Two semi-annuals. Then you have to find 106 over 2, 106 over 100 into 106 over 100 twice. Not 2 years. End of the 1 year, but 2 times they are counting. That means they are compounding the interest for 2 times annually. That means one time 6 months, then after second time 6 months. That means end of the 1 year they are compounding twice. That means every 6 months they are compounding the interest. Okay, that is not matter. You 12% annual rate they given, you change it into 6%. Then 6 over 106 over 100 into 106 over 100 into that 40,000. Okay, can you do? Try that question then. Fifth one. Quick, huh? Okay, finished? This is very simple. You go the answer. 400 into 6 because right 12 annual rate half a month, half an year, that means semi-annual 6. Now simplify two zeros, 20 here, 20 multiply by 106 by 106 and by 4. 6 into 6 36 by 12, right? 6 into 6 36 and 6 0 no use. I said 6 1 0 1, then add 6 3 12 balance 1, then this one should multiply by 4. 16, 24 balance 2, 14 balance 1, 9 4 4, then the 2,944 rupees end of first year. Okay, that means twice they are compounding for 1 year. This is end of 2 years because they are confusing with the 6 month and all. Okay, students, is this clear? What else?
Yes, sir.
Got it or not?
Yes.
What about that? Vegnit, okay. Right, write the next question, student. I will explain that. The last one, I think. Right? Sixth question. Sixth, right? Can you read once that question? I think there's a mistake. I want to correct. Hajara, read ma. Hajara.
A person who has percentage
Yeah.
at 8% interest compounded yearly receives
Yeah.
rupees 432 as compound interest at the end of 2 years. Find the amount
Now,
that he loaned.
okay, thank you. Now they given the compound interest he received end of the 2 years. He received the interest. How to find the interest? From the total amount, you have to reduce. Now, in this, what is the compound interest? 40,000 you have to reduce, students. Then 40,000 if you are reducing, this is the amount the compound interest. Like that, they given some amount that is 8%, 432 rupees. Okay, students, change that one into 832 rupees. Students, that 432 change into 832. Okay, changed.
Okay, sir.
Right, 832. Now the question is find
Yes.
that loan amount. Okay, now first you have to take finding compound interest like. First we'll find the loan amount. We are writing, we'll take the loan amount it as X. This is the way, student, you have to do. Okay, loan amount take it as X and find the interest or the total amount in the term of X. X into what is the rate? 108. 8 means 108 over 100 into 108 over 100. Okay, now you can simplify this. You can simplify this here by 104 times 25. Here 108 4 times because it's multiple of 4 students here. 2 zeros mean you can divide by 4. 8 mean you can divide by 4. If you are dividing the 100 by 4, 25, 20, 108 divided by 4, 27. Same here, 25 and 27. Now multiply, students. 27 into 27, 729. 25 into 25, 625. This is the loan amount, this is the total amount you have to pay end of 2 years. This is what? The amount, right? I have to pay end of 2 years. So write it first then. Take loan as X. take loan as X. Right? This one, find the total amount to be paid end of 2 years in term of X. Find the total amount to be paid. Find the total amount to be paid end of second year. End of second year. In term of X. Want to explain again, students? Right? See, once again I'm explaining that. Then I'm finding the total amount to be end of first year in term of X. X 108 over 100, 108 over 100. I told you can divide by 4. Then here 25, here 27. Here by 4, 25, and here by 4, 27. Then 27 into 27, 729 over 25 into 25, 625 multiplying by X. This is the total loan you have to pay, total amount you have to pay. Right? Now, did you write this? The total amount you have to pay end of second year, this much. 729 over 625 X. That means 729 X over 625 also you can write. Did you wrote? Okay, students. Now we'll find the total interest, total loan amount X we have to find. Now see will I am saying, now you borrow a loan 5,000, you are paying 6,500. What is the loan interest? How to find the total interest then? Now your loan is 5,000. End of 2 years you are paying 6,500. What is the interest then, students? Please, Hoshan,
So
can't hear.
1,500.
1,500. Ajara, Regnit,
1,500.
how we got this, Regnit? By subtracting 6,500 minus. That means the total amount you have to pay 6,500. The loan 5,000 you are reducing. That means 6,500 minus 5,000. Then similar thing only we are going to do. Right? You know the loan. Total amount how much you have to pay? 729 X you can write on the top. 625. This is the amount you have to pay totally. The loan we take it as what? X. Then from the total amount, reduce the loan X. You will get the interest 832 rupees. Then equal 832. Is this clear? You have to pay totally 729 X over 625. From that, you have to reduce the loan. Total amount you have to pay 729 X over 625. From this, you have to reduce the loan X rupees. If you are reducing X rupees, you will get the interest. Is that clear? Right. Now it is 1x. 1x means, now see will do. 1, number 1. 5 divided by 5 also 1. 100 divided by 100 also 1. X divided by X also 1. 500 divided by 500 also 1. right? So like same, I am going to take this 1x, I am going to write, that is the denominator here, 625. Then I am going to write like this here, minus 625x over 625 equal 832. Why I wrote like this? Here now 625 divided by 625, 1 x. When denominator is 625 now students, according that you can write. Okay, is this clear? This is the easy method students. If not here, 1 is there 625 and 1 LCM is 625, then 1 time multiplying. This one should multiply that one there. Actual thing it is 1x means, in case here 100 means, denominator 100 means, you have to write 100x over 100. If the denominator is 20, write it 20x over 20, then only subtraction is easy. Now subtract students here, 729 minus 624, 104 x over 625 equal 832. Okay, this step we wrote I think, then from here I am continuing. I am continuing this one here, right? 104x equal 832 multiplying by 625. Here 625 is there. 104 x over 625 equal 832. 625 multiplying this side. Here divided, other side multiplying. Then 104x equal 832 into 625. Don't multiply this. Keep that. Okay, without multiplying, keep this. Now take this 104 also other side. X equal 832 multiplied by 625 dividing by 104. Dividing by 104, you can get the x. Now see student, there's a thing. 104 is there. Here and 832. Think that in 800 how many hundreds? 8 times. In 32 how many fours? 8 times. That means 104 here 1 time, here 104 8 times. Now multiply the 6 by 8 by 125, 625 and tell the answer. Is this clear now? Students, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Don't multiply, student. If you are multiplying, it will go big number. Better. Yeah. After this, again I will explain. See, we will do 729x over 625 is the total amount you have to pay. You got the loan X rupees. Then additional outfine from the total amount you have to reduce your loan. You will get the interest. Then X is the total amount. Sorry, X is the loan. Then how we I was got like this? Why I got like this? 625 or 625? Because denominator is 625. If it is 100, write it 100 x over 100. Then only easy to subtract. Then you have 729 minus 625, 104 x over 625 equal 832. Then here 625 when you are taking other side multiplication. I didn't multiply, but I've shown in the method 832 into 625, but I didn't multiply. 104x equal 832 into 625. The next step I'm taking this 104 other side. Students, if you can understand directly, you can get this 404. Now I think next after that I didn't multiply. Student, think in 800 100 4 times. Sorry, 8 times. 800 100 8 times, right? 32 also 4 8 times, which means 104 1 time, yeah, 104 8 times. Then multiply the 8 by 625.
5,000, sir.
5,000. Then x equal 5,000. What's your loan amount then? Rupees 5,000. Is that clear, students? Yeah, it's
Clear.
different type of. This is different type of question, students. But in the school finished, did you finish the lesson in the school?
Not yet, sir.
You are
Finish.
going on the extra class also? Are you going in the next classes? Ajara,
Sir,
what is understood? Okay. Do you understood now? Copy children this one? Finished writing or what? Did you finish the writing?
I have finished, sir.
Roshan? Okay. Regnit?
Yes,
Ajara?
sir.
finish.
Okay. Then today we'll conclude the class. Okay. Then lesson finished. Next lesson we'll start the new. Next class we'll start the new lesson. So students, good night. Have a nice week, students. Take care. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.